Jaco, so I see SJW SmartHomes. So what does that entail and where did it start?
Let me show you.
Hello and welcome, Holtz Group. We're thrilled to have you here.
I want one.
How's it, guys? Welcome. Today we're here at SJW SmartHomes. We're here with Jaco. We're gonna have a look at what he's gonna show us today. Hi Jaco.
Hi Willie,
How are you?
right yourself.
No, very well. Thank you for having us today. What do you have for us?
Let me show you our SIG installation.
Here we go. Jaco, what is this?
This is Sigenergy 12 kilowatt inverter with two 8 kilowatt batteries.
12 kilowatt inverter.
This compact.
This compact.
Yes, amazing, Jaco.
And yeah, what's this?
This is a home max gateway, and we can still expand or add another 6 or 12 kilowatt inverter onto this.
That's amazing. Jaco, I see there's holes in the wall. You obviously had a system in here before. What's the reason for that? Why did you go to Sigenergy?
Actually, there was two systems in before. We started with first what was available. My thing is preach what you practice.
Yes.
So I had the first one in for about 2 years, see how it goes, then another one, and then eventually one day I spoke to you about Sigenergy, and it just sounded amazing, and I had to try it for myself.
So you tested before you actually sell it to end users?
Definitely, I couldn't sell something to a client that I myself haven't used in my own home and I'm happy with.
So you do practice what you preach?
Definitely.
Jaco, that is amazing. It's a pretty neat install. I love this, and it's amazing that there's a 12 kilowatt inverter with 16 kilowatt hours worth of battery backup in this small space.
Yes, and what's nice about it, the previous systems they had fans on them, so that's why we had it at the end of the house, but with this thing it's totally silent.
Exactly.
The door is open, we sit there and watch TV and you do not know it's in the background.
Can you guys hear that? Nothing. Jaco, what are some of the standout features of a Sigenergy installation from a trusted installer's perspective?
Firstly, the backup we receive from Sigenergy is absolutely amazing. Those guys are there if you have a question, they answer within a couple of minutes. Other than that, the installation itself, it's very easy. Compared to some of the others, the amount of trunking of wiring that you do, it's cut in more than half of the time that you need to install it.
And from an end user or client who you install this system to, what are the benefits for them, and is it easier for them to use? What are some of the key features?
Definitely, the backup that we received from our clients, especially older clients, the app is so much user friendly. If they want to set a backup, they just go to backup, as a little bar on their phone, they swipe it left or right and show the percentage of battery they want to use. It's very user friendly.
Very user friendly, even for the end users.
Yes.
Great. Jaco, would you recommend Sigenergy systems to other installers? And if so, why?
Most definitely. The system is easy to install, there's a lot less cabling and trunking to put up, and the support these guys offer is just amazing. On my own system, I was doing this after work, late afternoon. It was about 8-9 o'clock in the evening and I ran into a problem since it was the first time installing it. I phoned them and Aaron helped me instantly.
Instantly. So late at night.
So late at night.
That is sick. Jaco, so this is a 12 kilowatt inverter with 16 kilowatt hours worth of backup. Are there panels on here, and how much?
Yes, we've got about 20 panels on the roof and it's roughly just over the 9 kilowatt of PV power available, and that's less than half of what it can do. I think we've still got 2 MPPTs open, so there's place to expand on more roof space.
And if you want to, let's say your battery backup isn't enough, can you add to this existing system, or how do you go about it?
Yes, what we'll do with this one is just move it slightly forward, lift the inverter and in another battery and put it on top.
Done.
That's it, as easy as that.
And how does the system configure itself with a new battery? Do you need to upload settings or how does it work?
Once it's in, you scan the QR code, it adds it, it immediately adds the battery to your app, and it also shows the starting warranty of that battery.
Amazing. Amazing. Jaco, so I see SJW SmartHomes. So what does that entail and where did it start?
The smart homes, I started on home automation, smart home automation with Wi-Fi switches, Sonoff, Tuya, all those things. But enough chat, let me show you.
Oh, show me.
This is a little one that I programmed for you guys last night.
Hello and welcome, Herholtz Group. We're thrilled to have you here. At SJW SmartHomes, we're all about empowering homes with sustainable solar solutions and smart energy management. We specialize in affordable home automation. We hope you enjoy your visit with us, and that the automation demonstration by Mr. Wenzel leaves a positive impression.
I want one.
Here's another one I'll show you. We'll simulate a grid power interruption.
Attention! Please take note that grid power is off. There is enough battery power to sustain the current power consumption.
And then again, if the grid comes back,
Attention! Grid power has been restored. The solar system will continue to provide power to the house.
and this is live. We did switch off the grid, switch it on and off. It's from our main DB board. It's also got a Wi-Fi meter in here, 63 amp one that can handle the whole load of the house.
There you have it. Jaco from SJW SmartHomes.
Jaco, thanks for having us today. Learned a lot, very impressed. Thank you for your time.
Willie, thank you very much, man.
See you
Appreciate
later.
it.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, Willie.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Leave a comment below if you've got thoughts to share or ideas for what you'd like to see next. Catch you in the next